In this video, we will see how to work with Freelancer.com, the world's largest freelancers marketplace. Click on any of these links to know more. If you are already a Freelancer.com user, click to link to your account or from the settings screen. Log in to your Freelancer.com account. From this screen, you can get what's called token. It is your password to allow simply to have access to your jobs, so keep it safe. Copy the token and paste it here. Now, you can manage your Freelancer.com jobs from simply to be. From the jobs screen, click on Freelancer.com. Put your search criteria to find the projects you want. Decided to bid for this project? Click Accept. This is the project information on Freelancer.com. Select the start and end dates. Add some information for the customer. Add the products or services required to do this project. Select to distribute the sales tax over lines. Sales tax will not show as a separate line in the bid. Click Save to create a bid in Freelancer.com. This is the project owner screen. Now, the project owner can see your bid on Freelancer.com. Let's say, project owner decides to award the project to you. In simply to be, now, accept the project. You are good to go. Start delivering. Once project is completed, project owner will release your payment. Simply to be will notify you once payment is completed. Check your income screen. Income and tax are recorded. Your books are up to date. That was fun. Thank you.
Simply to be. Expand your business the simplest way.